What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding chain rule differentiation. First example is x cubed plus 2 times square root of x. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have product rule, which is gonna be u prime v plus u times v prime. So that's going to be the derivative of x cubed plus 2 is going to be 3x squared times root x plus x cubed plus 2 times derivative of square root of x. So it's going to be 3x squared of x plus x cubed plus 2. Derivative of square root of x is going to be 1 over 2 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2, which will be, if you arrange it, it's going to be 3x squared root x plus 1 over 2 x cubed over x to the power of 1/2 plus 2 times 1 over 2, which is going to be 1 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be 3x squared root x plus x cubed over 2 root x plus 1 over root x. So that's going to be the final answer. Another example is f of x equals to x to the power of 4 plus 2 times square root of x squared plus 1. So basically I'm going to write it as x to the power of 4 plus 2 times x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we have again product rule, u prime v plus u v prime. Derivative of x to the power of 4 plus 2 is going to be 4x cubed times this part, x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of 4 plus 2 times derivative of this part, which is going to be 1 over 2 times 2x times x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be 4x cubed root x squared plus 1 plus 2.5 cancel out. It's going to be x times x to the power of 4 plus 2 divided by square root of x squared plus 1. So that's going to be the final answer.